All right, welcome everyone. Thank you for joining. So this is a brand new series that I'm running here on YouTube. It's called Project Communication Tools. It comes directly from my book, Project Management Communication Tools. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down the tools by a couple different areas. We're going to talk about the planning questions, and then we're going to dive into the tool and actually talk about the tool themselves. But how are we going to do that? I have like 70 tools in that book. Well, what we're going to do, and I'm going to show you real quickly here, is I've broken the tools down by project size. So you'll see projects, tools that you'd use for small projects, which is at 1 week to 3 months, medium, 3 months to 1 year, and then large, okay? And so we're going to start with the small first. And so we'll start with communication requirements. But as you can see, there's a series of tools that you will use. And as we look through this, you'll see there's a series of tools that you'd use for each type of project size. So really like that bucketing. Again, there's 70 plus tools in the book. I will go through most of them, certainly, but I wanted to do them in logical order. So we're going to start with small projects first. And I'm going to walk through all these projects: initiation, planning, executing, and controlling. So hope that you enjoy it. Hope to see you online, and thank you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.